want to leverage frameworks. There's no need to start from scratch, but we do need flexibility and options. Frameworks and standards provide a key way to accelerate enterprise architecture activities. At the same time, the structure needs to be able to stretch to support your use cases and goals and enable collaborators to model as needed. A good approach is to use a base framework that provides some general structure and accommodate your use cases by pulling in domain-focused frameworks like BPMN or NIST, incorporating industry models such as those from BizBoc, or including content for specific modeling needs such as cloud hosting content components. You will need a tool such as ABACUS, which is framework agnostic and provides out-of-the-box support for all of these frameworks and notations. Perhaps even more important is the configurability to allow frameworks to be seamlessly combined. As we see here, where we can drill down on the same process components going from the TOGAF perspective into BPMN level detail.